How to change the Keybank account password online. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to change your Keybank account password, here is the process. First and foremost, head over to any of your preferred browser and search for key.com or Keybank. Tap on the first link, which is the official website of Keybank. Next up, you have to access the sign on portal. For this, tap on the sign on button, which is on the top right corner. This will now take you to the sign in portal. From here, you have to click on the option problem signing in and then tap on forgot my password. This will again take you to another page where you need to select your account type. Either it could be personal or business account. Next up, enter your user ID, security number. Then clicking on continue will take you to another page from where you can reset your password. Likewise, if you have forgotten your user ID, click on Forgot User ID at the top, enter the social security number and click on Next to recover your user ID as well. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.